y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This video is a Fashom unboxing and try on. I love Fashom. I feel like I say that in probably every single Fashom video. It's more on the affordable side, which I appreciate. They also do like no styling fee for your first time, which is what drew me in, because I think a lot of times you're unsure of a subscription box, whether you're going to like it or not. So to get that first box for free, it's like no money out of your pocket. You can try it. And then if you do like it, it's 15 bucks after that. So this go round, I have a lot of animal print, and you know that makes me happy. I've also got a great pair of jeans. I'll tell you this. Usually in these videos, I don't try anything on until we like cut to the try on so that you can get my like full reaction. But I fudged a little bit and tried on the pants with one of the tops. I just couldn't not do it. It was like speaking to me. I opened the box. You'll see the top. It's this black top with like leopard orange arms. And I was like, I have to put that on my body. So I've already tried that outfit on and I know that I love it, but the other things will be true first impressions. So I'll leave a link to sign up for Fashom in the description box down below if you want to try a new subscription box. I'll also try to find these pieces or similar pieces and link them down below as well. So I'm excited for this box. I think I've already said that. Let's get into it. Okay, first is the top. This is the one that I was just saying that I'd already tried on. How pretty is this? I absolutely love like the orange leopard on the sleeve. I love this. It's like a thicker material, so it's definitely not like slinky, clingy. It's like a cotton. Let's see what it says. It is 95% polyester, 5% span, S-P-A-N. I don't know what that is. All right, but this top is my favorite so far, but then again, I haven't tried anything else on. I just think this is so pretty. Yeah, I think it fits so well. Okay, now to the jeans. These are also, look, okay, so they're dark wash, like high-waisted flare jeans. These fit so nice. Oh my gosh, they're the perfect length, the perfect wash. They're the perfect like height. They just fit so good. And they're almost like a nicer jean in my opinion, because if you can tell, they've got a little bit of a cuff. Not a cuff, but like a seam at the bottom. I don't know, they just make that, in my opinion, it makes it look a little bit nicer. So this outfit, I love. I think this one would be really cute with like a pair of cowboy boots for some reason. I don't know, I think it's the flare with like the bit of like leopard and the crisscross. This is so cute. So I'm just gonna keep the same jeans on for the whole video because that's the only pair of bottoms I have. All right, so this top is the same idea. It's from, oh, it's got a knot. I didn't even see that. How cute. It's from the same brand as the first top, but it's like a heather, like a dark heather gray. Yeah, if you can kind of tell, like a little bit of a speckled pattern with leopard print sleeves. Y'all know Brian loves animal print, so I feel like at this point I'm just collecting as much as possible so that I can wear something animal print every single time that we go somewhere. All right, so I like the placement of this. I like it on the side for me versus in the front. I think it's just a little bit more flattering, and it also doesn't come too high up. I mean, my belly button is here, so it's quite a, you know, several inches below my belly button. I love that it's long on the sides and in the back. I think this is a really great size. I think this is a great fit. I like this one too. So this is the last like pattern, and then I do have a solid top. So this is from the same brand. It's like the same idea, but flip-flopped. Like instead of the pattern on the arms, it's on the front. Camo print is near and dear to my heart. Camo and animal print are my two like go-to patterns. So I think this is almost more of like a casual top. Like this, because it is a little bit longer, you could probably get away with wearing it with like leggings and black sneakers and just maybe like a pullover when it's a little bit cool outside. This one is definitely a lot thinner than the first one. This one is 95% rayon, 5% span. So it's more of like that thin material versus the more like thicker cotton like that first orange leopard one. So this is the first time that I've tried this brand. It is Haptics by Holly Harper, and I love that the tops are long enough. So this last one is the brand Chris and Carol, which I've gotten in my box before and kept several things from the brand. I like that the sleeves are like a little bit longer and fitted. I think that's more flattering than just large sleeves and a flowy top, because this is, if you can tell, quite a bit flowy. Oh my gosh, it's so cute though. This would also be cute with some like wet looking leggings and little sneakers with like one of those big teddy coats. I've been into that lately. So yeah, this one fits really well. I like it. I like that it's like kind of fitted at the bust and in the arms and then flares out. I think that's a really flattering look for me, in my opinion anyways. Y'all may have a different opinion. But I think that that's a nice fit. Also the shark hem, is that what it's called? Detail on the bottom. I like that too. So now let's talk about final thoughts while we wrap up this video. I love everything. I'm keeping everything, that's for sure. I haven't even looked at prices yet. Let's check them out. Let's see what the total amount is for everything in my box. $225. How Fashom does too, if you keep like a certain number of things, you get a discount. If you keep more things, you get a bigger discount. So if I keep 5 things, which is everything, I get 30% off. So that brings my total to $157.50, which is a great price in my opinion for a pair of jeans and 4 tops. 4 tops that I genuinely really like and that I know in my heart that I will wear, like things that I'll pull and not things that sit there and I think, oh, I want to wear that, but am I actually going to wear that? So Morgan styled me this go round. Thank you, Morgan. I love everything. I think I'm keeping it all. So it's a win. Oh, I'm reading this too. It says every friend that signs up. So if you've never tried Fashom before and you sign up with that link, you get $10. Huh, I get $10 too. All right, sign up. Get you a free box and a free $10 and sign up. All right, so let me know in the comment section down below what your favorite was. The jeans are a favorite, 100%. I was even telling Brian about them the other night. He loves flare jeans on me, and I'm slowly beginning to really like them too. So I was telling him about these jeans the other night because I hadn't quite sat here to film this video yet. So I know I like them for that reason. My favorite top, I think they all serve different purposes. Like this one, you could do with anything. Imagine this with like a big chunky necklace. You could dress it up. You could dress it down with leggings. This one I think is more of like a dressed down just because the look and the fabric of it. This one with the knot could go either way. This one I think is my favorite. I don't think I've ever had anything that's been this like orange leopard. And I love how long it is too. All right, so now that I'm just like rambling about all these things, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Check out the links in the description box down below. My measurements are there as well if you do decide you want to get a box and you need some help size-wise. So thanks for watching. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye. Also, Layla usually sits here in every video. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping good? You like sitting with Mama while we do videos? She's like, can you just leave me alone, please? I love you.